In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Microsoft Planner board, and it's easier than you might think. First, let's get started by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Open your favorite browser and go to the Microsoft 365 login page. Enter your login credentials, which include your username and password, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate the Planner app. This is the tool we'll use to manage and print our tasks. Look through your apps, and once you see the Planner icon, go ahead and click on it. Once you're in Planner, your next step is to navigate to My Plans. This section is where you'll find all the plans you've created or are part of. It's usually located on the left sidebar, and clicking it will show a list of your plans. Now select the specific plan that you wish to print. To do this, simply click on the plan's name, and it will open up showing more details about what's on it. You're now looking at a detailed view of your selected plan, and it's time to switch to the board view. The board view offers a comprehensive snapshot of your tasks laid out in a Kanban style format. It's visually intuitive and makes it easier to understand the overall structure of your plan. You can find the board option typically within the view settings, and selecting it will rearrange your data into a board layout. The next step is to locate the drop-down menu, which is usually situated towards the top of your screen. Clicking this will reveal several options about what you can do with the current board. From this menu, look for the option that says Export Plan to Excel and select it. Exporting to Excel is an essential step because Microsoft Planner doesn't offer a built-in print option for its boards. Instead, exporting to Excel creates a printable format that we can work with. Once the export process is complete, it's time to open the Excel file that was just downloaded. Check your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves files and open the document. In Excel, you might want to tidy up the data a little bit, ensuring that the layout fits your needs and the data is easy to read. Finally, it's time to print. Within Excel, navigate to the print function, which you can usually find under the File menu, or by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Here you can adjust your print settings, make sure everything fits on the page, and when you're satisfied, click Print. And there you have it, you've successfully printed your Microsoft Planner board. Following these steps allows you to have a physical copy of your tasks and plans, making it easier to keep track of your progress. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!